What's up, guys? Mark here, Wired Customs. We just now finished a single 15 subwoofer box where we did some plexiglass. We did some etching on the CNC machine over there. And this is what it looks like before you flame polish. Flame polishing is very, very important. So this is what it looks like beforehand. It looks okay. It would be probably okay for most people, but there's a way to get this even nicer. If you notice, it's got a lot of small pieces of where the router bit engraved it, and we can get that for the most part to go away. There's just a few things we need to do to begin with. We're going to take the air compressor and blow it off first. We're going to blow it off as clean as we can. Okay, so we have gotten as much off as we can with compressed air. Now the flame part comes in. It's basically melting it slightly, but if you watch and notice the change, I'm going to do part of it and then you'll see how important this step really is. So you see how I can set this up here where I can have two hands. All right, we're going to work on this little corner right here. Right here. Got part of it, part of the stuff was left on there, so we're gonna take that off. Definitely don't want to get it too hot. All right, let's stop there and let's just see the difference. See how the WI and the part of the R is complete. And if you look at the other stuff, you can still see a lot of the small little chunks, small chunks of the plexiglass still in there. Well, when we stick some heat on it, what we're doing is melting it together, and it stays in the groove that you have created. It's a really, really important step. You can also do this on the edge of the plexiglass. Once you cut it out, it's going to have kind of a rough edge. Let's look here. So just for instance, this is extremely not, that's extreme right there, because this was cut with a jigsaw, not a router, or not the CNC. But if we wanted to, we could clean that up a lot and get it to look more like that right there. But even that right there, there's another step which you add heat to it, and it will make that look as well as the front does. Flame polishing, believe in it. It's important. Do it.